everyone, today this video we are going to be showing you how we make our homemade brownies. This recipe is inspired by someone whose video I will link in the description. This recipe is 90% her recipe. I just added a few little tweaks to it, so we're gonna get straight into the video. So first thing we need to do is we need to melt the butter. My brother's the cameraman. I'm also gonna let him mix some of the ingredients in the video using an air fryer. We're gonna be using an air fryer if it's the air fryer. And this is like a good alternative way for those who don't have an oven and own an air fryer. You guys can make this brownie / cake recipe in there. Let's get on with the video. First step is we're gonna have to melt some butter. We're gonna melt it and we're gonna put it in this bowl. After that, the next step is to add in sugar. So you can add in any sugar you want. I like to use this brown sugar. So I like to add until like so I like to add at least 3.5.
So weird.
I know that seems like a lot of sugar, guys, but considering the amount of batter we're making, it's gonna go twice as much. Like even it's gonna go up to some sort of oil. So it can be like vegetable oil. I'm gonna use sunflower oil because that's the thing I have at hand right now. So we add in the oil. Just add like a little bit. The cocoa powder. So what we like to do, the flour, I'd like to use 100 milliliters of it. I don't know if that's 1 cup. So this is 1 cup. As you can see, it's already sifting through, but that's fine. That is the non-clumped up bits of the flour. And then there's the 2nd cup. So there we go. And then we're gonna need the cocoa powder. This is essential everyday baking cocoa powder and it's pure 100% cocoa. So this is almost 1 cup. And then add the 2nd cup. Look at that sifting. It's all sifting evenly. As you can see, this little thing here at the...
It's getting chopped. That looks weird.
The baking time depends on how thick or runny your mixture is. So if you have like a very runny mixture because of the amount of liquids you added in, it's gonna take a lot more time than if the mixture was and if it turns a little bit too runny like this, just add like 1 more little cup of flour. We're gonna add the flour flare. Just a little bit of flour is enough.
That's
that
a
much
little
is enough. And then we're gonna mix. So next is 2 eggs. We're gonna need to. So cracking eggs aren't really one of my master talents here. It looks kind of disgusting, guys. Let's see if we can get a good shot. Oh gosh.
Ew.
There. Okay. Then we're gonna add a tiny bit of milk. The milk is just to make a little base. We don't need too much milk, just a tiny bit. Like that much is enough. That's enough milk, guys.
It looks kind of like white chocolate that's melted.
So then we're gonna mix this, and as you can see, it's gonna be a tiny bit hard to mix, but if you just get
You have to crush the egg yolk.
So we're gonna time lapse this right now. Okay guys, so this is the last step. So one of this is optional and a little bit of it is compulsory. So next step is baking powder and then vanilla extract. If you want to add vanilla extract, you can add it in. We're gonna add it in because that's gonna help with the flavor of it, enhancing the flavor. So I actually like to use vanilla powder. It's a good alternative. It'll give a little bit more of a flavor boost. And for the tablespoon, I like to actually use 5 milliliters, so 2 spoons of the vanilla powder. 2 5-milliliter spoons of the vanilla powder. So let's get. I don't like to put full of spoons of it, just one, and then another spoon of it. Boom. That's the vanilla powder. And then then guys, this is the last step. It is to add 1 little teaspoon, so like 1 milliliter of baking powder. So baking soda, baking powder, you can use either one of them. Don't use too much of it, otherwise it's not gonna work out, so that much is enough. And then add it in. Boom. Now we're gonna add the batter in. I just lined the air fryer base with some foil so that the cake wouldn't stick. So we're just gonna add the batter in. So this is the brownies. Now we're gonna add it into the air fryer, and we're gonna show you the settings. So for the cake, it says you need it at 200, but the temperature we like to put it on is about 180. Sorry, well, not 180. 120 is the temperature I like to put it on, just so it'll be a bit steady. And I like to put it in there for 15 minutes first. In intervals, I'll just keep doing it. And the cake is finally done. It's gonna be very fudgy in the middle and nice and crunchy on the outside. It's the perfect combination, and you can dig straight in. That was all for the video. Hope you all enjoyed. Please make sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and we'll see you all in another video. Bye.
Bye.